Integra TransForm's DigiSMART Collection consists of touchscreen or touchless wall, floor and desk-mounted interactive kiosks. This collection showcases Integra's combined expertise in product development, software application design and advanced manufacturing to create digitally augmented, human-centred solutions to real-world problems. It began with digital advertising kiosks and customisable digital kiosks. Digital advertising kiosks are tailored to your needs through customisable software and hardware. These wall, floor or bench-mounted advertising kiosks are designed for dynamic video ads for both indoor and outdoor environments. Digital interactive wall, floor or bench-mounted kiosks offer a fully customisable digital touchscreen or touchless kiosk solution for wayfinding, check-in, virtual assistant, virtual concierge, ticketing and more. Agile, circular, progressive, revolutionary. Integra's DigiSMART collection of interactive kiosks turns the prospect of fully digitised operations into a reality. Find out how you can be revolutionising your operations.